Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel, the Forex Nexus. In the last video, we discussed about the gold chart and we mentioned the H4 re-entry that the market can give us H4 re-entry. Also, we was expecting a daily re-entry as well, but the market given us H4 re-entry without making stream on H1 time frame, but the CSD was back because the market didn't break the MA 510 low until that time. We need to calculate these things while happening CSD and early CSD. Okay, now the gold situation, let me explain technically. First we will explain technically, then we will move to fundamentally because uncertainty in the Middle East region. Also, the geopolitical tension can impact the commodities. So first we will analyze technically. If you see the gold, we have a momentum, also a selling pressure, but the last candle, monthly candle closed with full body momentum. That's indicating that the market can go up more side. We can expect a retracement, but overall on monthly time frame the market is bullish. That's the first reason. Okay, now that one thing is that gold break the all-time high levels. Okay, and now all-time high it's all-time high now. So when we have all-time high levels, there is no level on the left side, so maybe difficulties for the other strategies, but BBMA we don't have these things. We don't need to follow the left side of the market. Okay, now it's for on weekly time frame we can clearly see here. uh, let's analyze in depth. The market found extreme here with momentum, then on stoppage the market dropped to the MA 510 low and break the MA 510 low, formed early CST. Okay, sell CST, early CST, right, which breaks the MA 510 low here on this candle. After that the market reversed for a re-entry here, and here we got again a rejection. That's mean here the market failed to break, and here as well. Then the bullish rally started on confirmation on our daily time frame. The market went up. Okay, make again break the MA 510 high, then drop to the MA 510 low for a re-entry buy. Now let's take a look of recent re-entry buy. Here on daily we got extreme C. We got extreme C. When the market gets rejection from EMA 50, we got extreme C. That's called extreme C. Okay, after that the market this was a re-entry sell on daily time frame. Here the market got extreme. Okay, then market dropped. We was expecting a TPYG here but didn't, formed and didn't given us any confirmation. Okay, the market straight went up, formed CSD and break EMA 50 as well. Fake CSD here and worked as a MLV, and then the market start moving upside. Okay, here we have a lot of things to calculate on daily time frame, also on H1 time frame. Now clear momentum, re-entry. This part will be a tricky area. Okay, this part will be a tricky area to continue its bullish rally. Okay, otherwise I'm expecting a downside move technically here. If you didn't got the momentum, the market can drop. Okay, but the geopolitical tension is rising. Okay, by killing Ismael Hania in Tehran, that will impact the gold. 100% it will impact the gold. Okay, but when it will impact, when we see on media a counter attack. Okay, because Iran will take a revenge. Also the Turkey, the recent name Turkey, has made an announcement by Erdogan that uh, we can we can make a counter attack anytime in Israel. So the political geopolitical tension is on peak. Okay, and also on higher time frame the gold showing bullish momentum. On smaller time frame like H4, we need to confirm it that market uh, that what will happen when the market reach to this area, especially this area. Here is we will make a decision. Also today we have non-farm payroll. Okay, if we analyze the whole week fundamentals, you guys know that ADP non-farm payroll is key to non-farm payroll. So ADP comes negative and the forecast of non-farm payroll is also low. So much chances that the more non-farm payroll, uh, the data come out will be negative. I'm expecting that. This is not a financial advice. This is not a financial advice or signal. It's just my views because nobody can calculate the fundamental data before releasing time. Okay, everyone is calculating it by experience, and also comparing with technical charts. As much as I know, ADP non-farm payroll is key to a non-farm payroll. And if we check the ADP non-farm payroll, that's the numbers, the data is negative. The numbers are negative, which will give upside push to the gold. That's also possible. Okay. So the overall reasons on commodity is that on higher time frame I am on bullish side, and if today the market drop back, I will take advantage of higher time frames as a re-entry buy on daily. Also I can wait for a weekly time frame as well, but on daily I will prefer on daily. I will prefer daily time frame because it will be a powerful re-entry buy on mid BBA, also MA 510 low. So that's my view on gold, and also let's analyze other pairs. Bitcoin. Okay, here we got a clear re-entry sell, powerful re-entry, mid BB as well. That's why I called it powerful re-entry. And on daily time frame, last analysis, if you watch again, you will find the level which I draw here. The market can make the market can drop to the low BB. Also on weekly time frame we can expect a re-entry by here on this time frame on this level. So once I draw lines like this, I draw a direction, that's not a signal. We need to find, we need to make confirmations here, because you know without confirmation and multi-time frame analysis BBMA doesn't work. Okay, in forex market you need a solid strategy which gives you more confirmation for taking a trade. So BBMA is the best strategy, best combination of indicators which easily catch the market behavior, that what will be the next direction of the market. Okay, let's move to US 30. Okay, here on daily time frame you can see, let's check out momentum. We have momentum, but it's fake. Market didn't break the MA 510 low on daily. Monthly looking for a re-entry buy, weekly forming extreme, daily have extreme plus MLB. That's confirming that the market can move downside. Okay, market can move downside. If we got retracement then it will drop, but market can move downside. So let's see, because nothing is confirmed in this market, we can wait for the confirmation. Without confirmation we don't take any trade. Euro GBP we have a weekly re-entry there, but if you see here on monthly, one member asked me that can we take a sell trade on Euro GBP, so my answer was no, because market lose its momentum. On weekly time frame we got the momentum, but on daily time frame you can see here the Bollinger Band is flat. Okay, the Bollinger Band was flat. Now on weekly time frame, if you can see here, on daily time frame here we got extreme C, but according to the BBMA cycle the market need to break the MA 510 low, then it can further drop, otherwise it can reverse back. And last, if the market, suppose we got a re-entry buy here, okay, so before hitting the MA 510 high, there is a lot of things on smaller time frame in middle between MA 510 low and middle 5 and MA 510 high. When the market reach to the market will must make extreme on MA 510 on low BBH4 time frame. Once the market start moving upside, remember that when the market, the first resistance zone, which the first barrier, okay, the first resistance zone will be considered MA 510 high on third time frame. If the market form CST on third time frame, the next target with momentum on fourth time frame, the market will hit MA 510 high on daily time, H4 time frame, second time frame. Once the market hit the second time frame MA 510 high, we need to wait for the momentum on third time frame. If the market lose momentum there, we will book our profit. Okay, don't hold your trades, just monitor your trade. Okay, there are some reasons, because the market can reverse back. Once the market break the MA 510 high, then you can hold your trade on first time frame from MA510 low to MA510 high, because then the next target will be MA510 high on daily. On H4 time frame the target will be top PP. Then once the market reach to the top PP on H4 time frame, there will be extreme on H1 time frame. Okay, there will be extreme on H1 time frame, and also the market behavior is important there. If the market is forming MLV there, we need to book our profits and take a trade for sale. Okay, short that pair as a counter with minimum stop loss level. I don't suggest to mostly I don't suggest counter trade, but you can make a counter trade as well. So this is the overall view of the market, the geopolitical tension on peak, okay, and also the fundamentally the non-farm payroll and ADP non-farm payroll indicating us that the gold can move upside. But again, I am suggesting this level is a key level. We can make a sell confirmation there. Once we get a sell confirmation there, we can sell gold as well on non-farm payroll, but better to wait for the confirmation. Okay, if you have any question regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you are watching our channel, must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notification for the valuable lesson. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned with us. See you next time.